In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your ringtone on your iPhone. So it's pretty easy. All we need is just to change some settings. So open the settings page right up here and then scroll down to find sounds and haptics. So open it and then all we need is just to find the ringtone. So click on it and here we can see different options by Apple. So then we can also download all purchased tones. So we can purchase some music and then download it right up here. So all the available are for free, so you can choose the necessary one. So guys, I hope this video was useful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye.